Yes, a great good morning to ever-conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble rights activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze Usakwedokwadin. And it's quite obvious that everyone is privy to the fact that I happen to be a member of the All Progressive Congress, a sincere one at that. So at least to some extent, we are going to engage on a beautiful broadcast this morning. And I expect you to invite your friend and share this video. Of course, regardless of our political affiliation or what we believe in as far as politics is concerned, we should, as a matter of urgency, begin to think that what we are facing right now is nothing but a global pandemic. Some persons see it as an epidemic, as the case may be. So because of this, regardless of your affiliation, there is every need for all of us to come together as one to crush this negative health challenge that is facing the world. As we speak, I am glad today that the same pandemic has been able to expose some dirty secret of some disgruntled political elements who believes that they can continue to hoodwink the people into believing on their political gimmicks and watery administrative procedures or mechanism, as the case may be. Please, I beg of you, kindly forgive my voice. My voice is a little bit cracked. If I have to use my actual voice to speak, you might not hear me well. So I decided to modulate my voice this morning so that my message can easily be passed across. Kindly make it a point of duty to share this broadcast. Invite your friend, because it's going to be a profiting broadcast. It is not a broadcast designed to bring down the reputation or image of anybody. It is a sincere broadcast that is designed to skyrocket the preparedness of our people. And those who are saddled with the responsibility to manage the affair of our state and who are not doing it the way it ought to be done, we will not fail to expose this truth where necessary. But in this case, know that this is not about politics. It's about protecting the overall interest of the Aminu Kano Talakawas in our contemporary society. Once again, my name is Usakwedokwadin. Now, I will in the course of this broadcast, we are going to be code switching and code missing, which simply means that we can use any form of language to send our message, or any form of symbol to send our message to our intended audience, as the case may be. Now, if we are aware of the problem of COVID-19 in Nigeria, more leave the world, and as we speak, some states, they will never get this COVID-19. But like our state in Edo, our people, don't they face this challenge? Now ask yourself a simple question. Is there sincerity in the administrative process of ensuring that this COVID-19 is curtailed? Do we have a well-structured mechanism on ground to do it? Now, of course, I will quote different sources. One of the ardent supporters of the Godwin Obaseki administration, Mr. Semi Erio, came out publicly on social media. The screenshot is available, claiming that despite the fact that he is supporting this administration, he was not really happy with the situation on ground, owing to the fact that he made some call and it was really difficult to pick it for those persons who were saddled with the responsibility to manage the affair of COVID-19 in Edo State to pick the call. Then later, immediately some of us went to the page to quickly take an advantage of that situation to express our true intention over the problem and the plague that is affecting our people. At the end of the day, some 2 days later, he came back again online to say, yes, I have confirmed it is now working. So to some of us, we strongly believe that there may be some political affiliation. But one beautiful part in his decision, but one beautiful part of it is that whenever we use our social media handle to speak or to send a clear message to those who are in the aim of affairs, certainly they try as much as possible to make changes. So let's say it is because of the public outrage over the activities of these persons that led to the reorganization of the particular structure that was designed to manage the pandemic that is affecting the country, where Edo State has a fair share. Now, what led to all this? I was shocked to see a friend of mine, a very close ally, a strong female social media activist in Edo State, And she placed a phone number of that on that post. Particular girl, when believe say it gets symptoms of the COVID-19, then the girl say, then the director and say, okay, make the girl go the appropriate center to get detailed information, make the for test them. They send number from the girl, call. Nobody, the number self not even go. The number be like waiting there. It takes the intervention of social media and some people will get direct access to the leadership. Will get access to the leadership in our dear state. To now say, we're gonna work now, somebody they come. Later, immediately I put a call across to the girl. I did not record it because I was not giving the authority to record our conversation. I would have recorded the conversation to place it online so that people will hear. The girl told me point blank. I believe majority of person made the same call. She said she went there. They tell her to go home, go and quarantine yourself. They none of them even think that they not test and they say it might not be. Let's do it. It might not be. It might not be. Go home, go your house, go quarantine yourself. But I not think if we say this disease, they go through a communicable disease. If you come out through handshake, you hug person, say person you feel collector. Wait till make we feel say before the girl even from there go house. If for example she get. What make we feel say she from there go house, say she not go affect other people. Imagine people they give the opportunity to manage their affair. Look at what they said. Now, today again, what really prompt this video? I don't want to mention the name of this politician. A serving politician in Edo State House of Assembly. Get where go reach, I go mention her. He carry hand sanitizer. He bring a comment. All of them now they take an advantage of hand sanitizer. Hey, the people are suffering. We need to give their sanitizer to clean their hand. A member of House of Assembly, whenever I do constituency project, since we enter power from the beginning to the end, all of them they quickly they run. They say hand sanitizer. Now sanitizer people want job. You don't need hand sanitizer if you dey inside your house 24/7 to curtail the COVID-19 problem. Because if you are a member of your family, they say none of them they infected. In fact, now feed the hug, you even feed the bang your bang. You dey run things with your bank for us. A problem not there. So what if people need as at now food for their various houses? Now this same country now unemployment be the highest. When you go tell government of the day say unemployment not then a problem, they gonna tell you say shut up. If you to talk to me, they'll arrest you. And now majority of people not even when they feel when they come out every day, they not get saving account. Then they feel come out every day, they see what they call a there. Please share this broadcast. Share this broadcast and invite your friend. These people, if you come out on a daily basis, they get what they call it right there. I can tell you that over 60% of our population not get a robust savings account. When they wake in the morning, they do alignment, they open for street, they'll serious money. Some of them will face it buy onions, pepper, maggi, buy salt, buy soup things, they'll eat, hoping to come out the next day to do the same hustle. But in the situation we find ourselves right now, they're different. Majority now we don't tell everybody say make they enter their various houses. Government don't direct which palliative, which things they put on ground. May they address all this problem. I'm busy. You know. Which palliative they put on ground, may they manage the situation. You know, no single palliative. As we speak, our people not get food to chop. Our people not get single food to chop. Now, we say okay. Now, more ask ourselves. Apart from disease, where would they pursue? Where would they make sure so we want to eradicate? Apart from this, we want to eradicate now. Okay, now ask yourself this question: what the government don't do for the people we had for his house now? Make this disease not spread. Everybody they say COVID-19, 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 pandemic. In fact, now the English where they read now, pandemic. Now ask yourself a simple question. Everybody don't remember COVID hunger. It is stronger than the even pandemic itself. Not worry, very soon you'll see people will start with the thief soup. They'll go to bring people as a thief soup. People, a man who lock himself in the house because he don't want to carry the devastating disease or virus, as the case may be, stay inside a house for a long period of time. He not see food chop. How will he cope? How will he cope? Even if say we agree, say we are in a third world country. Nigeria is not a third world country. That in fact we fall below third world. We fall below third world. Government not get any single thing what they do for people. Member of House of Assembly, they come and they say we want to share hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Just wait and see what Osakunokodi will share again. I have shared last week Sunday. I know what I did. I'm not everything with camera. Somebody prompted me to announce, and I made an announcement. And then again, by the power of God, on Monday, if there is need for me to televise, I will still televise it, and I will still mention names of people who support the team, who make our physical grow. We will do our possible best to reach out to the people. What about our billionaires? They are very good in organizing party. Ask yourself a simple question: if election material go the highest village, the remote village, dog fix carry election material go remote village, why government money no fit go that remote village to better the life of the people? The government, what would they get today? They always benefit from the people without people benefiting from them. If they want to share 2,000 naira per vote, the 2,000 naira will go to the most remote area in our country. But as of today, just to bring the palliative to people for us, single one on the, I'm not be saying money not the entire state, money the entire state, waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. Our people know they talk. Now, our politicians now, all of them, if you see them, so they not reach 1% of the population, that they control the money where they this whole country. All of them, in fact, the money where they get, they not go feed it and finish. Their children not feed it and finish. Their children are go even try to eat for inside, but still they cannot afford to even do a single thing for our people. Now, so life be. The only thing where they take divide us for this country now too. Politics and courtesan. Politics and courtesan. Please share this broadcast. This is not about politics. This is not to attack anybody, but let's tell ourselves the simple truth. Politics and courtesan. I tell you, politics and courtesan. If somebody come out today and say, man, yes, what they are doing is not right, we must ensure that this is done rightly. Please make the business one something now. It must be like this. Some of us, it will not remove ourselves. Now we come and say, hi. Now PDP people they talk, it is an APC talk for supporter. Even if someone say that thing are true, we can't around. At the end of the day, our people will be suffering. Don't worry about courtesan. The reason, if anybody tell you say government of the day go really totally say make they crash courtesan, now lie. They will never summon that political. Will you know why? Because courtesan in itself is a divisionary mechanism. If they not divide you, there is no way they can really continue this level of oppression. Let's take an example. If some group of youth now come and say, oh, we not agree, we not agree, Nigeria must better, we not agree, we not agree, we not agree, Nigeria must better, we not agree. Now still fellow youth go come and say, oh, now popo people they run now. Now popo they run now. And no fee evolve. It was say now orange, they do an orange color. Now we for fall out. Purple men not rich now, no fit deal with them. They don't divide you. So if anybody tell you say willingness go just come and make them let all the total youth get unity for this country, just forget it. Ask yourself, NYC, Nigerian Youth Service Corps, they teach you army training. Left, right, youth obey the clarion call. Let us lead our nation high, under the sun or in the rain, with dedication and selflessness. Nigeria is us, Nigeria we serve. Ask yourself a simple question. They give you 100% military training. Why they not teach you how to shoot gun? As an NYC, you are supposed to be taught how to use weapons, because a country should be prepared in terms of external aggression. And let me not talk about internal subversion, because the security agency is in the best position to get if another country invade Nigeria to go for a big party. Some of us who are youth must be ready to come out to defend our country. But ask yourself the same question: why didn't the scheme of NYC taught all of us? It is a right. It is a right. Go and check, even in Israel. It is a right, but they won't teach you any of those things, because they believe that because of the oppression, because of the intimidation, because of the suppression, because of the criminality of some ruling class, they knew say if they teach you, they fear, they'll say, if you not teach these people how to do this, one day they will just come, they will just take up arm, they can just change it. So let us continue to let them remain the way they are. Now let's go back to our state. Let us not politicize this discussion. Ask yourself a simple question: what thing they don't really do now as a government for our people? Waiting now individual way not their positions. We never know they never, some of themselves never get government money for more than 10 years. Now they will say they set up food bank, they bring food here and there, they supply things, they go for street. Waiting our government they do. If they want to lit you one, you go say they will put picture. They will put picture. Now this time we take the campaign. Now this time we wanted the campaign. And we expect, to be sincere with you, our own and we go talk. But if our people not open, now they sabi. Now this COVID-19 period, we say we do so COVID-19. You know what it be 119? Sorry, 120. Because we're 120. Hunger 20. Those will not be beneath the meaning of 100. People beneath be hunger. 120. Now that's what we are facing. 120. Let's be sincere to ourselves. People like us cannot come out to say we get money. No. We only see the try on our own level. Little by little. Little by little. We are in a country where you can easily be frustrated. When you talk, the next thing after they look for the way to say, hey, let's set him up. They don't want any wise human being. Get it clearly. If you are wise, you are in a problem. If you are wise, you are in a problem. Now, the other time I was shocked. But they collect account number. Oh, thank God, oh, money don't they come, oh. Hey, they made us at least. Let me tell you the truth. If anybody above 18 years, anybody above 18 years receive 10,000 naira from government, each 10,000 naira. The money though, not anybody deceive you. Say, they fight. But now, make government post to the tie road. Make them post all this road work. First, focus on the people first. This is a plague, a global plague. Nobody know where that world will end now. Nobody know where that will end now. Everybody they tell you say the pandemic. Everybody they make human being they make prediction say by so day. But nobody get right to the future. Nobody want know. Nobody know whether this world will end now. The question now is, have you been able to take care of your people? Okay, if people can't decide that the pandemic continue, God forbid bad thing make it not continue in Jesus' name. If each person get at least 10,000 naira, believe you me, if for example, my house, I use myself as example, I get 10,000, my wife gets 10,000, my mother gets 10,000, the case will be 30,000. Now, do you know what will happen? With that 30,000 naira, I can go and buy half bag of Nigerian rice. 70,000. Then I go buy tomatoes. Even if say those days when they grow, they come. When the things be critical, not until when God has to give us some level of liberation. Will they feel use one dry fish way around? What is that cost you? When with 1 tomatoes, forget. So fast set the top, the red. We go eat and where we go balance. If we still come, we'll see the form Gaima. Don't see they say we they believe. Now ask yourself a simple question. Government they tell everybody made the enters, waiting me the provision. Federal government thought that they share money to the poorest of the poor. They say they want one. They say they use World Bank indices still on. Say they go be poorest of the poor. Who will not be poorest of the poor for Nigeria? Who will not be poorest of the poor for Nigeria? Tell me. Is it up to 1% of the population where they control this country money? Who will not be poorest of the poor? You give civil servants salary. You use the economy collect the money back. To buy one. In fact, some people's salary now 1 bag of rice money. That is to say, if they buy 1 bag of rice this month, you need to wait for next month before they buy tomatoes. If they buy a bag of rice this month, you need to wait for next month to buy tomatoes. Some self, their money na 2 bags of rice. They not go pay school fee. And 247, our education system, they on the high side. You don't know by yourself, say all these politicians, they arrange move for no go school. Because they know that when you went to school, you'll be enlightened. Some of us, not be say we don't, say we do things, say on our own, say now, so we come to, God come to bless us, come give us ability. No, now because we are enlightened. For let me tell you the truth, there is no way people like us can be poor. There is no way an enlightened person can be poor. So they believe that when you are enlightened, you can better create. So they want to prevent you from being enlightened. How much from Brusalia University school fees? How many people children of VPN? A man that is receiving 70,000 naira, he go feed the picking. Now let the person, the other picking. So in your house, they want at least may only one go school, make the rest not to tax. And you are saying we want to build a better nation? COVID-19 don't open for Nyash. COVID-19 don't kill Nissan Koko. For those who will not be Bini, I repeat, COVID-19 don't open for Nyash. We have sent this as well and so amount of money for the poorest of the poor. They come out without a calculation billion. Who and who be the which school don't come and come give testimony? If let me just tell you the truth, the fact we say government not send us. Government not send us in Nigeria. And I want to tell you something. If they break, you sleep for Nigeria, you wake up. Go to thank God. Now because of God, that make you wake. Not because say if God is your security, everything. No one way government they do for you. No single one. Believe me. Now God, now they make we. The unseen God who would we all of our poor men. Now they make up. So if you ask yourself a simple question as in Nigeria, or even when, as what push many people come out for abroad. How many Americans you don't see for Nigeria? Okay, let's leave America. Most say America to be Luxembourg. When we say Luxembourg, all of that, the Italians and the rest of them. How many of them you don't see for Nigeria? And I can authoritatively tell you, so when it comes to money, Italians where they give us aid, and those countries where they give us, Nigeria is richer than France. Nigeria is richer than France, but because the extent to which there is balanced community, there is balanced economy in France, now make you see and say they are rich. What about resources? We get sun, we get rain, we get land, we get water. Germany not rich us for water. Do you know that water is a scarce resources? But as we speak, we get every of these things. But still today, we join one of the most poorest countries in the world. And Nigerians are not speaking. COVID-19, they open for Unyas. Thank God today. The time they say repair hospital, they know here. Repair the hospital, they know here. Tell me now, if any of them fall sick, they will be treated in the same hospital where the Aminu Kano Talakawas will be treated. No, the way you want to go, you go that same hospital where you don't build. Now they go for treat you. Now there, they go for treat you. At least by this kind of time, say, oh God, wait, see, we go flock some politicians Koboko. We go flock some politicians Koboko. So the truth of the matter is very simple. To me, please share this broadcast. Share this broadcast. This is not time to play politics. This is the time to tell ourselves the simple truth. But I will not blame our leaders. The problem of this country is caused by the youth. And I will not remove myself, I join. Now, we destroy this nation. Now, ask yourself, say, why? This boy was saying that the youth, when people not get money. No, I want to answer you now. Let's take an example, as I've earlier said. If somebody just come and say, oh God, we elected the House of Rep member. We elected that senator. This senator never do anything. Let's go and meet him. As soon as they candidate, they go there. Now, see you like you know the senator, and then go see come out for road to me. Till they worry you, they crazy. If you near my Oga will blow now. You're wrong, go back. We were protesting in 2012 against the property tax law in Edo State. We are at Ring Road, not that the Oshomole administration. We said no, we don't agree for tenement rate. The moment we they protest, me myself in my comrade Emmanuel Sagbogun, Kola Edokpaye, Omobudiago, Saze Digi, and many more human rights activists in the state. Now Ring Road they come meet us, now youth come meet us, police not come, nobody come. Now youth come meet us, crash us. But because of the fact that we cannot relent, we ended up organizing a world press conference on ITV. The next morning, I was told to go to ITV to discuss on the issue. As I reached glass house for ITV, they don't lock on. Government say ITV the voters. They locked this station because they wanted to prevent Comrade Stanley from speaking. So to be sincere with you, my people, the problem of this country now youth. If youth really ready to stand, 80% of our challenges will be addressed. Believe me. You don't only know, say, economic recession in the country. As a citizen, you don't know whether economic boom day. If they say oil, at the rate of $150 per barrel, you know, yeah. Now then you see, they'll say, snake swallow money, monkey swallow money. But when oil price fall to the price within and say the economy is facing economic challenges, we all should be here. When the economy reach, where was the money? Where all this money? Check. If I show you where we do broadcast now, you'll shame. Edo State. Let me show you. I don't make sure the location, but let me just show you. See, road. Four country where you get all here. See road. You see road. So, of a truth, my people, this is the time for us to open our eye. This will not be politics. In fact, I'm not here to attack anybody. But we tell ourselves this. But the beautiful part of it is that COVID-19 don't open for Onyash. COVID-19 open for Onyash. We have a number of this in the archives, all of the newspaper headlines. Asian people say, they say, we want to see it now. Aeroplane not they move. A man who lived thousands of years back in 1550 something, if I'm not mistaken, Nostradamus prophesied this time, and today it don't happen. It don't happen. Now, they come to me and say, in fact, God forbid bad thing make we not sick in Jesus' name. People like we, there is no way, even if they say the plague day everywhere, it can't kill us. Believe me, not be true COVID-19, God say people like God go take that. No. We will not live forever, but we are greater than so many things. But the point is very clear. We are big man day for hospital. Now there poor man go day, not be only one person. You make una build hospital. Una say no, not they build. Una build. They play politics with everything. Everybody, data states lock everywhere for COVID-19. And those that we don't record cases, we are busy playing politics. Come on, hand sanitizer, they'll wear government shirts. They'll say take hand sanitizer. They'll carry bucket, they'll post government picture. Take na campaign. Na campaign. Na campaign. I think it is hard time for our people to be wise. Hard time for our people to be wise. Let me tell you the simple truth. I have a friend. I never go abroad once. I don't go lie you. People like us, by the power of God, we never travel. Say we want to come more from Nigeria, go abroad. Where the highest place where I don't reach now Benin Republic. Yes. And Ghana. Those that are within Africa. I still tell you, say my own personal assistant travel go Gambia, then later you go Uganda. As he come back, he said, bros, do you know that if you come out Uganda here, they know they take line, everything is very easy. We'll say Africa is poor, Africa is nala. Nigeria is poor, Nigeria is suffering. Some Africa is better than us. My friend will stay Western world, say, comrade, as he come, he say, we spend money small, He say, comrade, I cannot stay in this town. Forget saying that here they bomb me. This town, they try today. Only 3 weeks when I stay, I know how much I spend. In fact, if you sleep and wake up in Nigeria, we are in an open prison. Open prison. Now we there. Now open prison, we there. Now we there. Now, yeah, people say, see, this is not to encourage people to travel. This is to encourage our people to stand and to begin to tell our politicians, to begin to force them. Because the only people who hold us hostage in this country are politicians. With the youth, we give them the process, the opportunity to really hold the country on stage. Now only youth get the responsibility to restore sanity to this country. Yes, some of us made mistakes in the past. We say, we do, yes, but some of those mistakes we make in the past, we don't make them again. Politically, I'm telling you the truth. Politically, fine, I'm a member of my political party. I'm a strong member of the Progressive Congress. I won't lie to you, but that will not stop me from speaking the truth where necessary. If telling you the truth becomes an aberration, no problem. Mona suspend me. In fact, tell me, say you have been removed from the party. No problem, I will subscribe to it. Good morning, how are you? I will subscribe to it. But for now, the simple truth is very clear. Our people should understand the fact that it is time, and the time to act is now. We need a well-sustainable economy. Our politicians should be ready to do the needful. But thank God today, I believe the COVID-19 is going to create a new world order. They're not going to tell politicians now again, say, build hospital. They're going to learn new things because nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Ebola come this country. We counter Ebola. Anybody know? When Ebola come, we don't know, say, they get COVID, the former COVID, this thing don't come out before. When I COVID-1, they call it, before we can get COVID-19. Not but when it come now, America, they struggle. Italy, they struggle. Italy will get one of the world's best health system. They struggle. You don't know, say now Jesus and God, they protect us. 180 million Nigeria as of 2006. If you use 30% growth rate to do a mathematical projection, you should know that Nigeria don't cross over 200 and something million. And that 200 and something million, 80% of the information provided is not even accurate. To me, now little Indian figure will surpass that of Nigeria. Imagine if COVID-19 entered this our system and the current the ravager will not get proper health system. My brother, just rest. So now God, even the save us the gonna. We know what in the case of Italy, within a week, you know how many spread. They ask one minister for Africa, say, your country have never recorded a single COVID-19 case. What is the mechanism put on ground by government to protect it? You people are really trying. He said it's because we don't have any testing system. We don't have the ability to test. So that's why we have not recorded any case. That is to tell you, say the people there don't even they get them, but they never record any case because they can't test them. They cannot test them. So at least there's a message. In fact, the person when I told her, say travel out of Africa, is watching me now, my PA. He came up publicly to tell me, say, bros, now Nigeria and scatter. Some of this Africa country, even better, they be like John. They know they take light. He has to get light at all. Now what him? To get light. Now what him? As we speak, if you're here now, you're here. If I tell you the amount of money when I tell the run generator, so they say stock your home, stock your home, stock your home. As they stock your home, that's why they stock your fuel. Because if you stock your home, you not get fuel to take protect what you store. Believe you me, in the next 3 days, melo soup go turn ogbolo. Melo soup we turn ogbolo. Melo soup go turn ogbolo. Ebon don't go turn ogbolo. No light. In fact, no light. Those that, in fact, when they bring lights, more people in the joke conversation, they don't bring light. Because to some of them, they never even see lights. It's when they burn them. They don't bring light. Though they jump here and there. They don't bring light. Though they're happy. No light. People they inside room with heat. If you check this full area when I did now, where I did so, now only my house generator for the work. You just say the rest no one look tell you. You say the rest no one block, make their food block for free. I don't want to display my location. I would have just shown you. I'll take you around this food territory. Apart from my own house, nowhere in this old street the own generator. And you expect to make people food not spoil for inside their house. How come? For how long shall we going to live in a full paradise where psychophants celebrate mediocrity? For how long? Not be me talk them now. Now COVID-19 they open the secret now. No light, nothing. People are suffering. No single palliative from anywhere. Federal government said that they give money to the poorest of the poor. See, today nobody don't come out for social media anyways. Oh, thank God. I've gotten an alert. Government don't regard me. In no day. In no day, people are suffering. The same everybody does. I don't tell them before. Now, day-to-day activity, some people say they get money. They not get savings. Because the money where they get, not even receive. Money where they get, no receive. May God bless late Mr. Roland Osadiaye, who gave birth to Comrade Stanley Osaze. He died in 1995, but today I can assure you that what he created on ground is still giving me more opportunity to benefit it tomorrow. And where he came from is still giving me the opportunity to stand the test of time. So I will not fail to recognize where I came from and where I'm in today. I am glad. But believe you me, I started to tell you, so not be say, I don't feel display my location. Now only my hood generator they blown up for the area. How many persons can, and in a day, in every day, I spend nothing less than 2,000 naira per day for generator. Calculate them in a month. Some month they can carry 31 days, some they carry 30 days. And if you calculate them in 31 days, you have about 64,000 naira for only fuel. School fees day. Children. Now imagine. So with the kind of harsh nature of our economy, some persons need to have at least 500,000 naira to be able to live in a month. 500,000 naira to live in a month. Now, under a normal situation in a condified society, basic necessity ought to be provided. Imagine when government give you light. That if there is 24 hours light in Nigeria, no say I will be able to save 64,000 naira every month that the generator ought to have consumed. Common solar power. People are not generating on that alternative power source. Nigerian government see the bill, they say this one go, we have so megawatt. We have been seeing megawatt. We have never seen the light in terms of the megawatt. Now, if you talk about power get three process. You have what we call power generation, power transmission, and power distribution. We have been emphasizing on power generation. We have been emphasizing on power transmission, but what about the distribution? Do you know that in this light with it also they get business land? Where business people they get do business, they do 24 hours. Those ones they give the light because they pay excessive money. Then those people who actually need the light as a people, they're not going to get light because those people not get the money to give this disco company for them to enjoy themselves. Then they pay normal payment, I suppose be, but disco company they look for extortion. When you don't reach the time to go, because many houses not get metering system. When it don't reach time to collect money every month, they'll quick bring light. When they will bring light for like 2 days, they'll come your house, they'll come drop bill. They'll come give you estimated bill when you don't even consume. They will come to your house and give you estimated bill when you not consume. Then you go pay that money.